Did you know you can turn even the tiniest balcony into a mini flower garden? All you need is a few small pots and the right plants. Some flowers actually bloom better in containers. They stay compact, produce more color, and are easier to care for than big garden plants. And today, I'll share 15 colorful flowers that grow beautifully in small pots, railings, and tight balcony corners. Let's get started. 1. Petunias. Petunias are balcony favorites. They bloom non-stop and come in every color you can imagine. Compact hybrid varieties in 2025 need less care and don't stretch too fast. Petunias love sunlight and regular deadheading to stay bright. 2. Marigolds. Marigolds give warm yellow and orange tones. They grow fast and handle full sun easily. In small pots, choose dwarf varieties like French marigolds. They stay neat and produce flowers for months. 3. Geraniums. Geraniums are tough plants that thrive in balcony conditions. They handle heat, wind, and even low humidity. Their red, pink, and white clusters stand out in small spaces. Water lightly because geraniums don't like wet feet. 4. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums add a natural, cottage garden look. They bloom in shades of red, yellow, and orange. These flowers are edible too. Their leaves taste peppery and look great in salads. They prefer poor soil, which makes them perfect for simple balcony pots. 5. Begonias. Begonias are great for balconies that don't get much sun. They bloom beautifully in shade or indirect light. Their leaves are shiny and colorful, and the flowers come in bright reds, pinks, and whites. Begonias also tolerate humidity well. 6. Pansies. Pansies have cheerful faces and love cooler weather. They fit perfectly in small pots and bloom in bold colors like purple, yellow, and blue. Modern varieties in 2025 are more heat-tolerant, so they last longer through warm seasons. 7. Zinnias. Zinnias bring instant color with minimal effort. Dwarf zinnias stay small and compact, making them perfect for pots. They bloom in bright shades and attract butterflies. Zinnias need full sun to be their best. 8. Portulaca. Portulaca thrives in heat and poor soil, making it ideal for sunny balconies. Its flowers open wide in the morning and come in neon pinks, oranges, and yellows. The plant stays low and spreads nicely in small containers. 9. Chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums, or mums, are autumn stars. They bloom in large, colorful clusters and stay compact in pots. They love sunny balconies and regular watering. Many 2025 varieties are bred specifically for container gardening. 10. Vincas. Vincas handle heat and dry weather extremely well. They bloom constantly with pink, white, and red flowers. These plants are great for people who forget to water often. Just keep them in bright light. 11. Lobelia. Lobelia gives a waterfall effect with its tiny blue or purple flowers. It grows well in small pots and hanging baskets. Lobelia prefers cool weather and slightly moist soil. The intense blue color looks amazing against green leaves. 12. Calibrachoa. Calibrachoa looks like a smaller version of petunias but blooms even more. They handle wind and sun well on balconies. Their small trumpet-shaped flowers come in dozens of colors. They stay compact and don't require much trimming. 13. Dianthus. Dianthus flowers smell sweet and spicy. They come in red, white, and pink shades. These plants love full sun and bloom repeatedly if you remove old flowers. Dwarf varieties work best for containers. 14. Impatiens. If your balcony gets shade, Impatiens are perfect. They bloom non-stop in pinks, purples, reds, and whites. They like moist soil but not soggy. They stay small and fill a pot with color quickly. 15. African Daisies. African daisies look exotic with their purple, pink, and orange flowers. They love sunlight and grow well in compact pots. Flowers close at night and open in the morning. These daisies add a bright, cheerful look to any balcony. Extra tips. Use lightweight pots for balconies to reduce weight load. Most flowering plants perform best in 5 to 8 hours of sunlight. Deadhead old flowers to get more blooms. Use a slow-release fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Water early in the morning to avoid heat stress. Rotate pots occasionally for even growth. If you found this list helpful, tell me in the comments which flower you want to grow on your balcony next. And if you enjoy simple gardening tips like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Happy balcony gardening!